Hello student, myself Dr. Rachna Pathak, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Engineering and Technology, University of Lucknow. The topic of today's lecture is non-linear partial differential equation of first order with various types. Firstly, know what is non-linear partial differential equations. A partial differential equation which involves first order partial derivatives p and q with degree higher than 1 and its products of p and q is called a non-linear partial differential of first order. That means, what is p? We know that z is a function of x and y, where x and y are independent variables, z is dependent variables. If we find the derivative of z with respect to x is known as p and derivative of z with respect of y is known as q, and the equation containing such like p square x q square y plus p q is equal to 0, such type equation is known as non-linear partial differential equation of first order. The complete solution of such equation involves only two arbitrary constant, that means equal to the number of independent variables. Here z is function of x y, two independent variables, that means non-differential equation has two arbitrary constant. In this lecture, we will discuss different types of equation and the method solve of this equation. Now, study about first type non-linear differential equation. What is type of first type? If the equation containing only p and q, that means the equation has p square q square is equal to 0. This is the type first. If equation has such like px q is equal to z, this is not type first. Type first equation only contain p and q. If we know what is the type first, after this we find the solution of type first. For this we assume that the solution is z is equal to ax plus by plus c. We see that there is a 3 arbitrary constant a, b, c, but we know non-linear partial differential equation has 2 arbitrary constants. So, we reduce this equation is solution in 2 arbitrary constant. We find a relation between a and b, that means a b from the given equations. After finding the relation between a and b, that means we can find also a is a form of b or a b is a function of phi a, and putting the equation we have, if we find the relation b in the form of a, that is a is ax plus phi a y plus c is required solution of type first. Here a and c is only 2 arbitrary constant. After knowing what is type first, we solve some equation. This is first example, solve under root p plus under root q is equal to 1. Here we see that this equation containing only p and q, that means p and q. So, this is a type first. So, firstly write the solution z is equal to ax by plus c, and finding the solution, there is a relation between a and b. For this we put a at the place of p and b at place of q, that means under root a plus under root b is equal to 0, and we can write A, B is the form of A, that is under root B is equal to minus, sorry, एक minute, this is 1, under root A plus under root B is 1, that is under root V is this is 1 minus under root A, that is B is equal to 1 minus under root A whole square, that is B is equal to 1 minus under root A ka whole square, and put in Z is equal to Ax plus 1 minus under root whole square y plus c, which is required solution of the equation. Now, solve the next equation. What is x square p square plus y square q square plus z square. This equation containing x, y, z and also p, q. First, we say this is not like a type first, but we can reduce in the form of type first. For this, we divided this equation by z square, that means x square by p square upon z square plus y square is q upon z square is equal to 1. That means x upon z, p is del z upon del x whole square plus y upon z del z upon del y square is equal to 1, and want to reduce in the form of type first. For this, we assume that del x upon x is equal to del capital X, del y upon y is equal to del y, del z upon del z is equal to capital del z, and differentiate this equation we get capital X is equal to log x, capital Y is equal to log y, capital Z is equal to log z. And we find the equation, that is we want the value of this dx upon the del z and del z upon del x. That means del z upon del x capital X equal to x by z del z upon del x, and del z upon del y is equal to, here this is capital Y, this is small y upon z is equal to del z upon del y. Putting the equation, and we get this del z upon del x whole square plus del z upon del y whole square and 1. We know that small p is del z upon del x. So, we assume that del z upon del capital X is equal to capital P, and putting here, that is p square plus q square is equal to 1. This is equation in the type first, p square plus q square is equal to 1, this is type first. So, we write the solution as z is equal to a x, there is a capital X plus b y plus c, and find the relation between a and b. From this, it is a capital P square plus q square is equal to 1, and putting here p is equal to a and b q square to b, we get p square is equal to 1 minus a square and b is equal to under root 1 minus a square, and put here a capital X plus under root 1 minus a square y plus c. But where equation in the form of small x small y, so we put here the value of capital Z, capital X and capital Y. What is? Capital X is log x, y is log y, z is log z, and put we get the required solution, that is log z is equal to a log x plus under root 1 minus a square log y plus c. This is a required solution of the given equation. After solving type first, we go to type second. What is type second? The type second form in the z is equal to px plus qy plus some function of pq. If the equation in the right form in the type second, we write the solution of this as like ax plus by plus fab. That means we put a at the place of p and b at the place of q. Okay. After this, we solve some examples on the base of type second. There is a question z is equal to px plus qy plus under root 1 plus p square plus q square. Here z is equal to px plus qy and these are some function of pq. That means this is a type second. Type second. So, firstly write the complete solution for this. This is put a at the place of p, b at the place of q. That means a x plus b y plus under root 1 plus a square plus b square, which is required solution of the equation. Now, solve next. This equation is 4xyz is equal to pq plus 2px square y plus 2qxy square. We have two questions. If what is type this? If we can reduce in type first, this equation cannot reduce in type first, and we can reduce this equation in type second. For reducing in type second, we assuming that small x square is equal to capital X, small y is equal to capital Y, and find the value of p in the form of capital Z. For this we know that p is del z upon del x, and we can write as e divided as and multiply by capital X, and x square is differentiated as 2x dx is equal to d. If your del x, you write a del x or capital X. So, del x upon x is equal to 2x. We can write this value here. We get p is equal to 2x del z upon capital X, and we assume that del z upon del x is capital P. That means small p is equal to 2x capital P. And similar way we find a value of q in the form of 2y capital Q, and putting the value of p and q in this equation. In the equation we get that is a 4xyz. Write the equation of p. P is write and capital P or 2x upon del x. We wrote firstly in del upon del x. That means 4xy is 2x 2y, that 4xy del z upon del x and del z upon del y. And next is 2px square y, that is p is 2x, that is 4x cube y upon 2 del z upon del x plus 2q, q is a 2y del z upon del y, that is 4x y cube del z upon del y. And the form reducing in the form of type second, we divided this equation by 4xy. Divided by 4xy we get z is equal to, this equation is 4xyz, this is a cancel out, that is del z upon del x dot del z upon del y, and 4xy is x square del z upon x and y square del z upon del y. So, we have the equation as like this. It is x square is capital X, we assumed that earlier, and capital Y is equal to capital Y. That is x del z upon del x plus y del z upon del y plus del z upon del x del z upon y. Okay. So, what is have p del z upon capital del x is where the x square plus del z upon del y is y square plus del z upon del x del z upon del y, and we assume that is a capital P, it is capital P, and square is capital X, it is capital Q, it is capital Y, this is P Q. And we know that type second is Z is equal to P x Q y plus function of P Q. So, this equation is reduced in type second. Z is equal to P x plus Q y plus P Q. So, we can write the solution as put A at the place of P, B as the place of Q, and also A x square plus B y square plus AB. This is the required solution of the given equation. Always remember, in the equation form, if small x, the solution is also in the form of small x. After changing, after assuming anything x square capital X, after finding the solution, we also remain in the form of in the given equation. After this, we goes to type third. In type first, we have studied the equation containing only PQ. In type second, we studied have the equation have Z is equal to Px plus Qy plus some function of PQ. And now in type third, the function containing ZPQ, not XY. The equation has only ZPQ. This type of equation we have solution as we assume that u is equal to x plus ay and p is equal to dz upon du and q is equal to a dz upon du. Substituting the value of PQ in the given equation, the partial differential equation is reduced in ordinary differential equation and solve it. After solving, we again put the value of u in the form of x and y. So, we can solve on the type third equations. See here, the solve z square p square plus q square plus 1 is equal to a square. This is a equation. This equation is containing p, q, z. This equation is not type first because it is containing z. This is not type second, we cannot reduce in type second because it is not in the form of type second. But we can, this is a type third, that is z square p square plus 1 square to a square. So, after knowing this is a type third, so we put here p is equal to dz upon du and bq is equal to p dz upon du. Here we assume area you say that ki u is equal to x plus ay. Ay is any arbitrary constant because here a is present in the equation. So, we let b here. Okay, we assume that here u is equal to x plus b y and put the value of p dz upon du, q b dz upon du in the equation. We get z square p is dz upon du is whole square plus this is q the b square dz upon du whole square plus 1 equal to a square. Solving this equation we get z square 1 plus b square a dz upon du का whole square and a square minus z square like this, and after squaring the under root this z under root 1 plus b square dz upon du is equal to plus minus under root a square z square, and separate the z variables one side and u variables other side, and integrating this equation we get under 1 plus minus under root 1 plus b square under root a square minus z square is equal to u plus c, and put the value of u x plus by. We have 1 plus b square a square minus z square is equal to x plus by square c a and का whole square. Here some question in the mind the students, here the 3 arbitrary constant a, b, c, but a is not here arbitrary constant, this a is a fixed in the equation. So, here only two arbitrary constant B and C. We goes with the next example of for the type third. There is P is 1 plus Q is equal to A QZ. This is a type third. So, put here firstly we assume U is equal to X plus AY, and put the value of P is equal to dz upon du, Q is equal to A dz upon du, and put here dz upon du 1 plus A dz upon du is equal to A dz upon du into z, and solve it, we get 1 plus A dz upon du is equal to Az. And we separate z variable one side and u one side, we get that, yeah, we can write also as like this du m upon Az minus 1 upon A, and because we want the solution in the form of u is equal to, so we can write this du upon dz is equal to A upon Az minus 1, and solve this like this, du is equal to A upon Az minus 1 dz, and is integrating we get u is equal to log Az minus 1 plus log C is arbitrary constant. This is question written as u is equal to x plus Ay is log C Az minus 1. We again see here there is two arbitrary constant A and C, and there is two independent variables x and y, and goes with the last type fourth. What is type fourth? We have studied type first, type second, type third, and we will study about type fourth. What say about type fourth? If the equation containing Px and Qy variables not z, and the equation can be written as xp in one side and qy in other side, and equal to A, we can solve this. The equation in the form of f function of xp and f2 yq, and this equation is always remember type fourth is not containing z, z is always absent, and solving like such equation we assume that firstly if we have equation as like p minus q is equal to y minus x, this is equation containing p q and y minus x, and we can write like this p plus x and y plus q. We can write separately as p plus x one side and y plus q on other side, and say this is equal to any constant A, and solve it 1 plus p plus x is equal to A and y plus q is equal to A, and find the value of p and q in the form of A and x. We get the function, we said that p is a function of, this is assumed it is a f1x and q is the f2y. We know that this is a total derivative formula, dz is equal to p dx q dy. After knowing the value of p and q in the form of A, put here A and x, that is this is f1x, this is f2y. Integrating this equation, we get required solution. After knowing what is type 4, we will solve some example based on type 4. This example, this is a p square minus q square is equal to x minus y. We can see that here that the equation not containing z, and we can also written as p square minus x is equal to q square minus y, that is p square x in one side and q square minus y in other side, that means this is a type 4. For solving, we let assume that this is a equal to A, and find the value of p square minus x is equal to A, that means p square is equal to A plus x, and p is equal to under root A plus x, and q square minus y is equal to A, that means q square is equal to A plus y and q is equal to under root A plus y. After knowing the value of P and Q in the form of Ax and Ay, we put here dz is equal to P dx plus Q dy, and that means under root A plus x dx plus under root A plus y dy dz. And integrate this equation, we always know that x की power n is equal to and x की power n plus 1 upon n plus 1, and to solve this we get z is equal to 2 by 3 x plus a की power 3 by 2 plus 2 by 3 y plus a की power 3 by 2 plus b. We easily see here just two arbitrary constant a and b. And now solve the next equation is yp 2yx plus log q. Firstly, see what is type of this equation. This is not type first because it is not containing only p and q. This is not type second because this not can written as z is equal to px plus qy and the sum function of pq. This is not type third because it is not containing z. And we see what is type third, that is type fourth. There we can written as form of f1 px is equal to f2 qy. For this equation we can write this written as p is equal to 2x plus 1 by y log q, and p minus 2x is equal to 1 by y log q. That means this equation is written as the form of type fourth. So, we solve this equal to a, p minus 2x is equal to a, that means p is equal to a plus 2x and 1 by y, this is q, 1 by y log q is equal to a, that means log q is equal to ay, q is equal to e की power ay. After knowing the value of p and q, put them in this equation dz is equal to p dx plus q dy. Here we had dz is equal to 2x plus a dx plus e की power ay dy, and integrate this equation we get z is equal to x square plus ax plus 1 by a e की power ay plus b. We can also see here a and b is a arbitrary constant. That means the equation is type fourth, and we get this lecture what is non-linear differential equation, what's the type is solved. There is type first is containing only pq, and type second the form is z is equal to px plus qy plus some function of pq, and type third a function containing z pq, and type fourth is the form of f1 xp equal to f2 yq. And we solve the some example based of this type. Thank you.